Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x to the power of 9 is equal to 13 to the power of x. So to solve this, what I'm first going to do is take the ln, or natural log, on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of 9 is equal to ln 13 to the power of x. Now, if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is the same thing as b times ln a. So ln x to the power of 9, I can move 9 to the front. And ln 13 to the power of x, I can move x to the front. So now I get 9 times ln x is equal to x times ln 13. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by 9x. So for my left-hand side, these two cancel out, and I'm left with ln x over x. And for my right-hand side, these two cancel out, so I'm left with ln 13 over 9. So now, recall that if I have something in the form e to the power of ln x, this is simply equal to x. So what I'm going to do is rewrite x here as e to the power of ln x. So now this is the same thing as ln x times 1 over e to the power of ln x is equal to ln 13 over 9. And 1 over e to the power of ln x is the same thing as e to the power of negative ln x. Now what I'm going to do is take the W-Lambert function on both sides. So what the W-Lambert function states is that if I have something in the form a times e to the power of a, and I take the W-Lambert function of this simply results in a. So in this case, I can think of ln x as a. So I have ln x times e to the power of negative ln x, and the only thing that has to match is these two. And right now, we have a positive ln x and a negative ln x. So what I'm going to do is multiply both sides by -1. So now these two are the same. And now if I take the W-Lambert function on both sides, this simply results in negative ln x is equal to W of negative ln 13 over 9. Now, remember how if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, this is equal to b times ln a. So what I'm going to do is reverse this property and move this -1 to the front. So now I get ln x to the power of -1 is equal to W of negative ln 13 over 9. And now I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. So I get e to the power of ln x to the power of -1 is equal to e to the power of W of negative ln 13 over 9. And remember, e to the power of ln, these two cancel out. So I'm left with x to the power of -1 is equal to e to the power of W of negative ln 13 over 9. And x to the power of -1 is the same thing as 1 over x. meaning x is equal to 1 over e to the power of w of negative ln 13 over 9.